In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to find the area of trapezoids. Here we have two pictures of trapezoids. A trapezoid has a pair of parallel sides. Those two parallel sides are called base 1 and base 2. The distance between the two bases is called the height. I shaded one trapezoid in green to represent the area. The area formula of a trapezoid is the height times the quantity of the sum of both bases. B sub 1 represents base 1, B sub 2 represents base 2. Then divide by 2. Let's take a look at an example. Here's a picture of your trapezoid. Base 1, the height, and base 2 are labeled, so carefully plug them into your formula. Simplify the numerator. Simplify again. We can cross-cancel the 2 and the 6. The 6 will become a 3, and 3 times 24 is how you get 72 millimeters squared.